look at this. You're going to want to see how I made my cherry chipotle barbecue sauce. Actually, it's not mine. It's actually Hey Grill Hay's recipe that I copycat, but I wanted to try it out because I picked Rainier cherries out of our orchard today before we start to harvest. So these are made from our family's cherry trees, this barbecue sauce. And I cannot wait to try this out. You're going to want to see how this is done. So stay tuned because we're going to go over the ingredients next. For today's ingredients, we're going to be using ketchup, garlic powder, onion powder, molasses, honey, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, Chipotle peppers in an adobo sauce, and a lime, and Rainier cherries. I'll list the ingredients for everyone, so let's get started. I removed all the stems, so now it's just a matter of taking a little bit of time, peeling cherry apart, and just removing that pit. And once I get all this done, we'll move to step 2, which is adding all of our ingredients together in a saucepan and creating our cherry chipotle barbecue sauce. So stay tuned and I'll finish this up. Let's get to making our barbecue sauce. We're going to start with 1 cup of ketchup. One cup of the Rainier cherries. We're going to have 1 tablespoon of the garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of the onion powder, 1 tablespoon of the molasses, tablespoon of honey, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, the adobo sauce, pepper, 1 pepper. I'm not going to use all of this, just some of it. The zest of a lime. And use quite a bit of the lime zest because this is all going to blend well and give this amazing flavor. And then we'll do 1 whole lime juice. Now, I will reserve the salt and pepper for the end if I need to add more to it. Okay, that's it. Now we're going to just get our burner going and let this simmer for about 20 minutes. And we're going to set it on medium heat. So we'll let this go and we'll check it, come back and check it in about 20 minutes. Okay, we're going to let this sit and cool now for about 5 to 10 minutes before I put it in the blender and blend it up. And then I'm just going to store it in the fridge and think of something to cook with it next. So we'll be right back. Okay, I've let it sit for about 10 minutes and now it's time to blend. Now the reason we let it cool is because it was piping hot and it's still hot. Hopefully it doesn't melt the plastic. Okay, moment of truth. Here we go. We're going to go just a little bit more. Oops. Now it's the time. All right, folks, there you go. We're going to let this rest. I'm going to put it in the fridge, and then I'm going to come up with something real soon to cook this with. Here's a taste test. Oh, wonderful. You get the peppers, you get all the flavors of all the seasonings in there. This has a little bit of a kick to it, but man, I think this will be good. Hey. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. I just did a taste test. This is awesome. Hands down awesome. I really want to thank Hey Grill Hey, Susie for showing her video on how to do it. I did it exactly the way she did it, and I love the boldness and the flavor that comes out in this. So I've got something I'm going to do, but I'm not going to share it, but I will tell you this much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, drop a comment down below, and I'll catch you again on the next video. But I think I got something pretty special in mind for this here real soon. So happy 4th to everyone. Please be safe. Enjoy your time with your family, and we'll see you again on Grillin' and Chillin' with Al.